Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at a Tops drone. So, pretty excited to test this out for you guys. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Guys, take a look at this. It comes in a beautiful case. The zipper flows so smoothly. Comes with batteries, charging cable, and all your accessories needed. So these batteries are for the actual remote. So you got your drone batteries right here and your remote batteries inside here. That is so cool, guys. So it does have obstacle avoidance. Very nice. Press and hold the top to turn the power on once your battery's inside. You got your camera on the front here. So right now we're just kind of taking a look at the drone. A lot of people like to see what it looks like, at least briefly. So you just pull out each leg like this. It has a little bit of weight to it, which actually is good if you want to fly it when it's a little bit windier. The very lightweight drones kind of drift. So this having some weight is definitely going to help the drone. Again, you get 2 drone batteries. So if you guys want to pause, you can see it there. Ooh, I love this. Love the effect. So you can pop this out, and this is where your phone goes. Nice digital screen here. Make sure you pop out the antennas. Got some settings on the side here. So speed and some different modes. Nice. So what you do is you actually take these out, guys. These are your Joy-Cons, so you put them on here. So pop them out from there. So just like this. And you can store them back in if you're storing it for the season. So your battery go in here. Overall, let's stop wasting your time and let's get testing.